Hi, I'm Alix from EnergySage, and I'm one of our senior researchers here to help you navigate the complicated world of taxes. Figuring out what you can claim on your taxes every year can be stressful, so today we're going to walk through some of the basics and get a handle on all the different ways you can get money back when it comes to the federal solar tax credit. You may already know that the federal solar tax credit allows you to claim 30% of the total cost of your solar installation on your taxes. But what exactly is a tax credit? A tax credit is different than a reduction or a rebate, and they tend to be more valuable too. That's because a tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction of your tax bill. It lessens what you owe in taxes, which means you ultimately get a bigger tax refund. For example, if you owe $10,000 for 2023 and you can claim a $7,000 solar tax credit for installing solar panels, you'll only owe $3,000 to Uncle Sam, greatly reducing what you owe for that tax year. Rebates, on the other hand, work a little differently. You may be familiar with the concept of rebates from going shopping in your daily life. Well, you'll be offered cash back or an incentive from a manufacturer of a product when you buy it. When it comes to renewable energy, you can also receive rebates directly from the state or city you live in. And that's in addition to the federal solar tax credit, so you're getting even more savings. Rebates also tend to differ by region and the type of clean energy product you're purchasing. So, one of the most important things is to always double check whether they're offered in the state or county where you live specifically. Another benefit of a rebate compared to a tax credit is that many efficient energy rebates are upfront rebates, which means that you get cash back immediately upon purchase. So you don't have to wait until filing your taxes to reap the financial gains of a rebate the way you do with a tax credit. And even if a rebate isn't upfront, you'll still typically receive it within a few months. Another way rebates differ from the solar tax credit is that there are caps on the dollar amounts you can claim. For example, credits for heat pumps are capped at $2,000, and other popular products like energy-efficient air conditioners and exterior doors are limited to $1,200. When it comes to rebates, there are also added benefits for low-income taxpayers who apply. Certain clean energy rebates will offer greater savings if your income qualifies you, which is why it's important to confirm whether or not you meet that income threshold. So, make sure to look into the three main ways you can receive rebates: through state and local entities, your solar panel manufacturer, and your solar installer. Chances are, you may qualify for more than one, if not all three, and that translates into hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of extra savings. That's why going solar right now is such a smart investment. The rebates and credits available to you reduce the cost of installation dramatically, and you want to take advantage of as many of them as you can while they're still being offered. If you want more information, you can find additional guidance at EnergySage.com, where we have a comprehensive list of state and local rebates offered across the country. Again, I'm Alix, one of our senior researchers, and thanks for watching.